This initiative is fully voluntary and non-affiliated. It seeks no financial or political benefit and exists solely to share constructive ideas for Lebanon's development.
هذه المبادرة جزء من رؤية لبنان 2036 التي تضم أكثر من 370 مشروعاً. وتشكل هذه المبادرات مجتمعة التزامنا الجماعي بالشفافية والمرونة والتنمية الوطنية الشاملة. هذه المبادرة تطوعية بالكامل ولا تنتمي لأي جهة. فهي لا تهدف إلى تحقيق أي منفعة مادية أو سياسية، وإنما وجدت فقط لتبادل الأفكار البناءة من أجل تنمية لبنان.
The dual reality. The Arab region stands at a crossroads, facing a dual reality unlike any moment in its history. On one side, crisis, fragmentation, and untapped potential. On the other, unprecedented vision, resources, and a generation ready to build. But what if these aren't separate stories? What if they're connected chapters of one story, awaiting the right catalyst? The systemic breakdown. Our greatest challenges are systemic. They don't respect borders or bureaucratic silos. Youth unemployment connects to education systems, which connect to economic structures. Water scarcity ties to energy, food, and climate. Yet we try to solve them with fragmented tools, isolated pilots, and disconnected investments. The result? Wasted resources, missed opportunities, and a growing gap between national visions and daily realities. The catalyst revealed. This demands a new kind of institution. Not another silo, but the connective tissue between them. Introducing the Accelerator for Regional Integrated Transformation, ARIT. A regional platform engineered for synergy, built on 4 interconnected pillars. 1. A Nexus Observatory. Our shared mind, transforming data into intelligence, tracking true prosperity. 2. A Transformation Lab. Our collaborative engine, where public, private, and community leaders co-create solutions. 3. A Capital Integration Facility. Our aligned fuel, blending finance to de-risk the future. TIGI Win-Win Engine ARIT is designed to engineer win-win outcomes, turning zero-sum dynamics into cycles of mutual benefit. Imagine this: sovereign investment funds green reconstruction in Lebanon. This creates immediate jobs while piloting cutting-edge water and solar technologies. Those proven solutions then scale across the GCC, meeting Vision 2030 goals. Creating regional supply chains, more jobs, and affordable clean energy for all. One challenge becomes shared opportunity. A local pilot becomes a regional asset. This is the synergy imperative in action. Grounded in reality, this is not speculation. It's a blueprint validated by data and demand. Leaders across the region are calling for this exact approach, to move from pilots to platforms, from fragmentation to synergy. Our financial model is sustainable, reaching operational break-even within 3 years. For every dollar invested, we generate between $4 and $9 in social, economic, and environmental value. And the market agrees. We already have expressions of interest covering most of our launch capital. Ready for execution, we are ready to execute. The architecture is designed. A hybrid legal structure provides global credibility and regional agility. We are assembling a world-class team of systems thinkers, financial innovators, and cultural translators. Digital platforms will connect stakeholders from Riyadh to Rabat in real-time collaboration. Our phased plan is clear: launch within months, demonstrate tangible impact within 2 years, and scale across the Arab world within 5. The call, the imperative, is clear. In a region where 60% are under 30, this is about more than development. It's about dignity, agency, and shared destiny. The blueprint is complete. The partners are aligned. The moment is now. Join us. Let's move from fragmentation to synergy. From vision to reality. Let's build the future of the Arab region, together. This document is part of the Vision 2036 initiatives comprising more than 370 projects. What makes Lebanon Vision 2036 unique? This vision stands apart from all other national plans due to its unprecedented depth, integration, and focus on the core pathologies of the Lebanese state. 1. It is an integrated operating system, not a wish list. This is not a collection of isolated projects. It is a fully integrated blueprint where digital transformation enables radical government transparency, which unlocks effective public-private partnerships, which fund critical infrastructure. Each of the 192 national projects and 106 local initiatives is designed to activate the next, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of reform. 2. Citizen empowerment is the core engine. Uniquely, the vision is paired with 38 actionable citizens' guides. This transforms the population from bystanders into informed operators and auditors of the new state, teaching civic tech, budget monitoring, legal rights, and community entrepreneurship. The people are codified as the key stakeholders and the ultimate accountability mechanism, making the vision sustainable and rooted in civic ownership. 3. It builds the state from the ground up. The vision starts with the architecture of governance itself. It provides concrete, actionable plans to create new ministries, such as Ministry of Reforms and Good Governance, 38. Empower existing ones with strategic plans, and establish new authorities and councils like a National Transformation Council, 47, and a Projects Management and Execution Authority, 49. It is a literal instruction manual for constructing a capable, transparent, and digital-first state apparatus before layering on physical projects. 4. A dual-track strategy, national transformation and local revival. The vision operates at both the macro and hyperlocal levels. Alongside national strategies, it includes the complete June Vision, a 100-plus project masterplan for a single town, encompassing economic development, infrastructure, and cultural preservation. This serves as a replicable, proof-of-concept model for grassroots, municipal-led revival across Lebanon, ensuring transformation touches every community and builds from the bottom up. 5. It confronts the root cause, the system and the psyche. Beyond economics and infrastructure, it addresses Lebanon's deepest pathologies. With dedicated strategies for national reconciliation, 31, a psychological shift from sectarianism to civism, 27-29, and systemic anti-corruption, 95, it aims to heal the societal and governance fractures that have doomed all past reform efforts. It understands that new institutions must be inhabited by a renewed citizenry. Lebanon Vision 2036 8 Pillars. 1. Governance and institutions. 2. Economic transformation. 3. Infrastructure and energy. 4. Digital, data and AI. 5. Education and human capital. 6. Social protection and inclusion. 7. Environment and climate resilience. 8. Regional integration and diaspora. Part 2. The transformative benefits for Lebanon. The implementation of Lebanon Vision 2036 will trigger a cascading series of benefits that move the nation from collapse to competence, and eventually to competitiveness. 1. Foundation for a functional and sovereign state. Benefit: replaces a weak, fragmented, and opaque state with a capable, transparent, and digitally enabled government that can execute policy and provide security. 2. Economic revival and sustainable growth. Benefit: transforms Lebanon from a collapsed, import-dependent and rent-based economy into a diversified, productive, and globally competitive knowledge-based economy. 3. Empowered and unified citizenry. Benefit: shifts the population's role from passive victims of the state to active owners, operators, and auditors of the national recovery. How the vision delivers it. The 38 Citizens' Guides provide the toolkit for engagement. Strategies for psychological shift, 27-29, and national cohesion, 184-189, rebuild a common Lebanese identity, while the June Vision model proves that change is possible, fostering tangible hope and local agency. 4. Tangible improvements in daily life. Benefit: delivers concrete, visible results that directly improve security, health, mobility, and opportunity for every citizen. 5. Global reintegration and strategic relevance. Benefit: transforms Lebanon from a perpetual crisis site into a respected, strategic partner and a stable hub for trade, innovation, and culture in the Levant. The ultimate benefit: the virtuous cycle. The singular, overarching benefit is that these gains are not isolated. The vision is engineered to start a virtuous cycle. Better governance attracts investment, which funds infrastructure, which improves lives, which builds public trust, which strengthens the state further. It is a closed-loop system for national renewal. Part 3. The critical time factor. A race against marginalization. Lebanon Vision 2036 is not merely a plan for a better future. It is a last-chance blueprint for national relevance. The window for decisive action is closing rapidly. Without immediate, systemic, and synchronized implementation, Lebanon risks an irreversible descent into becoming a permanently marginalized state. Conclusion: the vision as a countdown clock. Lebanon Vision 2036 provides the complete what and how. The unresolved variable is when and at what pace. The integrated design means delays in one sector, such as digital governance, cripple progress in another, for example, anti-corruption reforms. This is not a plan that can be implemented in any order, at any time. It is a synchronized launch sequence for national salvage. Implementing it with the urgency of a national emergency is the only way to ensure Lebanon transitions from a country defined by its past crises to a nation defined by its future potential. The vision is ready. The time to act is now.